Good morning, guys, and today is Wednesday. Our lesson today is My Nature Chaconia Flower Collage. As always, find me on Instagram under Brain Builders Tutoring, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Michaela Alfonso, if you would like to have weekly content. The Chaconia is the national flower of Trinidad and Tobago. It is a deep, radiant red and can be found in the forest. The name Chaconia is said to be in honor of the last Spanish governor of Trinidad, Don Jose Maria Chacon. Something you should know about the Chaconia is that it has two types, the single and the double Chaconia. The double Chaconia has even more petals than the single one. Our Chaconia flower is represented in numerous places in Trinidad. First things first, it is represented in our currency. If you look on the picture on your top left, you will notice a 25 cents. On the right hand side, you will notice a gold medal. It is called the Chaconia Medal, and it is the second highest national award for long and meritorious services. Because our national flower is red, it pairs well with the following: the scarlet ibis, our national bird, our national flag, and the coat of arms. Materials needed for this craft are scissors, natural material, various types of glue, Q-tips, paint, preferably yellow, and plastic bag. To begin, carry your child outside on your nature walk and find a few natural materials. I had a sour cherry branch nearby, so I used it for my natural materials. Next, add some yellow paint to a plastic board and dip your Q-tip in it. Rub it in a 360 motion in order to cover the entire cotton bud. When the Q-tips are dry, cut them in half and then chip out mini pieces in the middle. This is the corolla. For my recycled material, I am using a red plastic bag and drawing a heart shape on each. I folded my plastic strip into 4 so I will have multiple pieces. Next, I cut them out. I'm cutting a heart shape to create a petal effect. Our next step is adding the yellow pieces to the stem. So I use some super glue to hold them into place. Layer a few parts and then leave some bare. The yellow part is called the indigenous corolla. This simply means a flower that has ovaries enclosed in the receptacle. Moving forward, we're going to add some regular glue to the leaves of the sour cherry plant and add our red plastic that we shaped into petals. Layer them on thickly. Take your time. I use 3 to 4 petals on each plant depending on how big the leaves were. This gave me a full effect. The last part is adding on some extra leaves for the leaf part of the Chaconia flower. This makes it look more realistic. And there you have it, your very own Chaconia flower collage. Overall, we used some red plastic bags, 2 sour cherry branches, Q-tips, and some yellow paint. All this created your flower collage. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up the video. See you later, guys. Bye.